Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by launching the Password Generator app and confirming your device security is active. Use a PIN or biometrics. Once done, pick the password length and which character sets you need, uppercase, lowercase, digits, and symbols, so the generator creates what the site requires. Make sure clipboard protection is on and that the app's auto-clear or timeout is set to a short interval to reduce accidental leaks. Don't pause. You want a secure baseline before generating. Now fine-tune the generation parameters so the password fits the destination. Choose an appropriate length, 12 to 24 characters for regular accounts or much longer for encryption keys, and decide whether to exclude ambiguous characters like O and 0. If you need a memorable structure, enable pronounceable options, but understand that reduces entropy. If security matters more, keep randomness high. Enter any site-specific rules, such as required digits or band symbols, so the generator. Finally, copy the generated password securely, or better, save it directly into your password vault with a clear label for the account. Use autofill to apply the password so you avoid manual typing errors, and then test the login to confirm everything works. If something goes wrong, recheck the site's character rules and password length, clear the clipboard, regenerate the password, and verify your device's time sync if one-time codes are involved. This fixes most common failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.